guys, welcome to Epic Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS position, relative, fixed, absolute, sticky, and more. Let's start coding. I want to create a div first. Div container. Let me assign some CSS to our container. Background color purple with 100% and height 200 pixels and save it. This is our box. I'm going to add some text corner of the box and middle of the box. Let's start it. I will create different divs for each text. That's top left. Let me copy it for you guys. 5 times. Top right. Bottom left. Bottom right. And center. Let's save it. We see all text in our box. Let's assign some CSS to text. Let's change the color of the text. I'm just adding that color option here because all those things is in our main container. So when you add anything in the container, so it's going to affect all of them. If you want to change some of them, you need to add specifically. For example, if I want to change the top left color, I need to assign to left color CSS. Let me show it to you. Color red and save it. You see guys, I specifically added a CSS for top left. You can do like this on your side. Let me delete that one. So let's start to change the position of the text. Let's start top right. Position absolute. Position absolute means taking reference border of our existing box. I'm going to show the mean of it in a minute. Let's assign top 8 pixels and save it, and right 10 pixels and save it. You see guys, let me talk more about absolute again. Let me disable that one and save it. You see guys, that position has changed because it doesn't target our main container. And let's put it again and save it. That's the difference. Let's assign top left. Top left position absolute. Top 8 pixels and that one is left 10 pixels and save it. Before starting bottom class, I want to add one more thing for container about position. Position relative. I'm adding position relative because I want the rest of div to target the main container. Let's start bottom right. Bottom right position absolute and right 10 pixels and bottom 8 pixels and let's save it. You see guys, let me show the mean of the adding relative at this stage. Let me assign a color for that one, color red, and save it, and let's disable position relative. You see guys, our div doesn't target our container and it goes down. That's why it is important, and let's save it and change to that one. Let's add bottom left position absolute left 10 pixels and bottom 8 pixels and save it. Let's start for center. I think I made a text error. Let me have a look at it. Yes, that's one right. Let's change that one too and save it. Let's start for center. Center position absolute top 50%. It is exactly the half of our div, and I need to make it with 100%. Then make it middle, text align center and save it. You see guys, you can change position of the text like this. That's all for now. By the way, please let me know what you think about tutorials via comment guys. I value your feedback. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.